Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
All right, it's the day after Thanksgiving, and what is this? That's leftover turkey breast. That's amazing, right there. These are King's Hawaiian sweet rolls. These are the greatest rolls. Got some mayo, got some dill pickles, some salt and pepper. Greetings, Mike Foster here. What do you do the day after Thanksgiving? You make leftover turkey sandwiches. But this is a leftover turkey sliders. Fast, simple, and easy to make. Let's get started. I'm hungry. Check them out. First thing you do is you cut these guys open like this. Just like that. Do it again. These are delicious. These are amazing. And like I said, it's fast, simple, and easy. You put the mayo on both sides. And then you fill it with delicious turkey. It's chunky. That's the key to the slider. The turkey. This beautiful white meat. All right. This one does it fit. Then you take the pickle, do the flipple. Do it again. Take the pickle, do the flipple. Put just a little salt on there and a little pepper. Let's flip them. These are your sliders. Look at that. Let's get a close-up. There's your leftover turkey sliders. I can't wait for a big bite. That might be all that slider is just one bite. Coming up. Happy day after Thanksgiving. I know this is going to be on the day after Thanksgiving, but this is what you do with your leftovers. There's lots of stuff to do. That's the slider. Looks good. Simple to make. Let's see if it tastes good. The mayo and pickle sets it off. The turkey is beautiful. Nice white meat, a little salt, pepper. And these sweet rolls do the trick. Check it out. Stay safe out there, guys. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 on YouTube. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
There's just how pretty that looks. Oh my gosh. It's just so pretty. I wanted to see it. Baba. Now, I'm getting a little shabby. And I've been meaning to shave but cold weather, you don't feel like doing it. But I'm being serious. I'm talking to you. Wear your mask, social distance. This is serious.